King be popping the stitch. Never lies when spit, never lies when spit. Always keeping it 100 on this podcast and shit. King of the generation, having necessary conversations. He give the information.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back, man. I've had this channel for like 2 years now, probably going on 3. I just started posting on it because I needed a random place just to talk about technology, right? You know what I'm saying? Whenever I'm trying to rant, whenever I just got something in my mind I want to talk about. That's why, like, one of my first videos was the difference between productivity and gaming PCs. Most people don't know. You'll have people that have obviously the funds. They'll have money, but they'll be buying basically the same thing, right? King, what do you mean? What I mean is, you seen the thumbnail, you seen the intro. There is no need to upgrade from the 5070 Ti to the 5080. They are legitimately like damn near the same card. We ain't talking about overclocking the 4090, yada. They both got 16 gigs of GDDR7, 16 gigs. The 5080 has an extra either decoder or encoder. One of them, we got an extra one of those. And the 5070 Ti got two and one. That has 2 and 2. Right? So hear me out. They are so close in performance, it doesn't make any sense. And then you do it, right? You upgrade, and you get mad. So I found this specific, I guess it was like a marketplace type thing, because he's selling it, and he's selling it for $950. Now, I have this same exact card, except mine's is the OC. So it's funny, right? You can get this card like this, or you can get the OC. I actually have the OC. Same as that card, except mine's the OC, right? Give you more clock speed factory, right? That's all that means. Now, this individual says works perfectly. It was installed for a year, and I upgraded to a 5080 today. First comment: upgrading from a 5070 Ti to a 5080 is the picture of a same guy but with a different shirt on. Don't let that go over your head. That's right about retail. You're not doing, and I think he's selling it for like $950. I paid $804 for mine, and mine's is the OC, but I did buy an open box, and I bought it. Like, what made me like pull the trigger is because I was reading the tea leaves about everything, and prices going up and stuff like that. It was before RAM. I think it was like before the RAM and all that. But they were saying that it was going, like, the stuff was going to go up, right? It wasn't like the PlayStation thing. Like, that kind of came out of nowhere. But I was already getting a PlayStation, so I wasn't going to have to worry about that anyway, too. But anyway, you're crazy for this price when I can buy a brand new one for $200 more. And of course, it's, well, do that then. You know, people just get spicy and just, people just get spicy and just being their feelings. Then another person, I want to read the last comment. Another person says, yeah, I would have saved and upgraded to the 5090 before going to the 5080. Barely any difference from a 5070 Ti besides bigger price for 12 to 15%, if that. Mine's overclocked is a base 50. So basically he's saying if he overclocked his 5070 Ti, it's a base 5080. Well, let's just talk about overclocking real quick. Overclocking is cool. Like I said, I have the OC edition. I'd rather get the OC edition. I always had started getting the OC edition. Oh, his is the OC. I'm sitting there looking at it. His is the OC. I don't know how I missed that, but yeah, his is the OC. So, like I said, I got mine for $804. Open box from Best Buy, right? So his is the OC. So that means it's factory overclocked. Now, let's talk about something. Overclocking. When you overclock your GPU, it may not be stable in all your games. Meaning, literally, some of the games that you like to play, you're not going to play. You're going to have to take it back to the regular clock. runs too fast. So you have to, it comes a point where it's like you're overclocking for really what, and it messes up the lifespan of the graphics card. What this person said is so true. You might as well have just keep stacking your bread and get a 5090. If I had the opportunity to get a 5080, I wouldn't even get it. If somebody was like, hey, give me your 5070 Ti and $100 and this 5080 is yours, I had the opportunity to get the 5080, but the tough, like, that's literally my dream card. That's the card that I wanted. Now, of course, I wasn't real big boy status, because I would have wanted to get the 5090 tough. You know what I'm saying? Just like this. But we ain't had big boy cash like that. But like I said, I paid $804 for mine. Do not hear me out, man. We don't even know why this dude upgraded. And it wasn't really an upgrade. Same amount of VRAM. Just like the guy said, 10 to 15% better. If that. I just had to talk about it because I cannot stand when people, it's another guy on here that got the 5080. He had the 5070 Ti, and he was like, I always upgrade. So if you big dog like that, why you upgrade to 5090? So I'm coming from, before the 5070 Ti, I'm coming from because I was originally going to use this card just to game in my gaming rig. But then when I seen how capable it was, you know what I'm saying, basically I went from an ARC to a 3080, ARC 580, actually an ARC 750, to an ARC B580, to a 3080, to a 4070, and from a 4070 to this 50. The 4070 was like so short-lived, but to this 5070 Ti, and now this is my main rig. I do everything on there. Boy, unless I could have gotten a 5080 for like the same price, tough, maybe I would have got it. And I only say maybe because if I could save some money, why wouldn't I? Please, y'all, stop wasting y'all money. Like, literally, it's not really an upgrade. Everybody knows that, like, that's like a joke. That's like a meme in the PC community. That's what I'm talking about. Let me know what y'all think. If you had the opportunity, would you upgrade from the 5070 Ti to the 5080? Let me know in the comment section. Make sure I like the video. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all next one. Oh yeah, thank y'all for the, 130 subs, man. We doing it. Appreciate y'all.
You drive me crazy.